Hello. Strong hook. Do you feel nervous speaking English at work? Do you hesitate before talking to your boss or colleagues? Or do you worry about making mistakes in meetings? We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people feel the same way. But today we are going to help you speak English confidently in your workplace.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inside Talk English, the podcast where we improve our English through real-life conversations.
I am your host, Anjali.
And I am Rahul. We're so happy you joined us today.
In this episode, we'll talk about workplace English conversations. You'll learn practical phrases, real dialogues, and confidence tips.
Let's start with a simple situation, talking to a colleague.
Yes, many people don't know how to begin a conversation in English at work.
Here are some easy phrases. Good morning. How are you today? How's your work going? Did you have a good weekend?
Let's do a quick role play.
Good morning, Anjali. How are you today?
Good morning, Rahul. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Did you finish the report?
Yes, I completed it yesterday. I'll send it to you soon.
See? Simple, natural, and confident.
Remember, you don't need complicated English. Keep it simple and clear.
Now let's talk about speaking with your boss. This is where people feel nervous.
Yes, but using polite phrases can make a big difference. Useful phrases. Could you please guide me on this? I would like to discuss something. Can we schedule a meeting?
Excuse me, Anjali. Do you have a moment?
Yes, Rahul. How can I help you?
I would like to discuss the project deadline.
Sure, let's talk about it. Always remember to be polite and confident.
And maintain eye contact. It shows confidence. Meetings are very important in the workplace.
Yes, and speaking in meetings can be challenging.
I agree with you. I have a different opinion. Can you please explain that again? Let's discuss this further. I think we should complete this project by next week.
I agree with you, but we may need more time.
That's a good point. Let's discuss the timeline.
Don't be afraid to speak in meetings.
Your ideas matter. Let's talk about something important, making mistakes.
Yes, many learners stop speaking because they fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Sorry, I made a mistake. Let me correct that. I'll improve next time.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
The key is to keep speaking. Now let's talk about phone conversations.
These can be tricky because you cannot see the other person.
Hello, this is Rahul speaking.
May I know who's calling?
Please hold for a moment.
Hello, this is Rahul speaking.
Hi Rahul, this is Anjali. Can we discuss the report?
Sure, please hold for a moment.
Speak clearly and slowly on calls.
Small talk helps build relationships.
Yes, it makes you friendly and approachable. Topics: weather, weekend plans, movies, food. How was your weekend?
It was great. I watched a movie. What about you?
I visited my family.
Now let's give you some motivation.
If you want to improve your English at work, follow these tips. Practice daily, speak without fear, learn new phrases, listen to English conversations, be confident.
Confidence is more important than perfection.
Speak even if your English is not perfect. Now let's do one final full conversation. Good morning, Anjali. Do you have a moment?
Good morning, Rahul. Yes, please go ahead.
I would like to discuss the project update.
Sure, what's the progress?
We have completed 70% of the work.
That's great. Keep it up.
We hope you learned something useful today.
Practice these conversations and use them in your daily work life.
Remember, confidence comes with practice.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video.
Subscribe to Inside Talk English for more learning content.
And comment below, what topic do you want next?
Keep learning, keep speaking, and stay confident. See you in the next episode.